All right, welcome back to the next video of the series. And in this video, we're going to go ahead and get started working on our React app. All right, so let's go ahead and let's clear this out. Let's run yarn dev, and that'll run our backend server along with our React app. Let's make sure this is still working. Let's run our query. There we go. All right, so for our React application, all right, and that is in our client. So go ahead and click client. Let's go ahead to our source and let's just do some cleanup. So we don't need app.css. We can delete that. All right. We can delete our logo. Okay, and then we need to go to our package.json. All right, and we need to add a proxy for our backend server, so that whenever we do our query, we can just do /GraphQL, and this will also help for when we deploy our website. All right, and that proxy will be localhost 3500. Let's go ahead and put a comma there and save. We might have to restart our server. All right, let's go back to the React application. Okay, so let's close this. Let's go to our app.js. We'll just hit Command A, delete all that, and let's make sure we have the correct snippets, not snippets, but plugins installed. The same that I do, so that you can move through this quickly. All right, so the main one we're going to use is ES7/Redux, or /Redux/GraphQL snippets. All right, we're going to be using auto rename tag, color highlight. Let's see, VS Code icons if you'd like them, VS Code styled components, prettier, so that whenever we save it automatically formats. And then that is it. So let's go back to our files, and with those snippets we're going to be typing RAFCE, and that'll be our React arrow function. All right, and we'll just type h1 home. All right, there goes our home. And what we want to do is, let's go ahead and add these. Let's add a basic style in. So we want our background color to be F8, F8, F8. And then we want everything to have a margin of 0 and a padding of 0. All right. All right, and then what we need to do now, let me just add the assets in. I'll have them in the GitHub. The link will be in the description, but I just have the project pulled up here to my left, or the folders pulled up to my left. So we'll create a new folder. We'll call it assets. All right, and we actually have no data GIF or GIF, however you say it. That's gonna show up as an error page. We're gonna have a placeholder image for all of those jobs in our API that do not have a company logo. We're gonna have a default one, so this will be in the description as well, in the GitHub files. And then we're gonna have a loading menu GIF as well. They're just easier to work with. All right, let's close all of these. All right, so that's it for this video. We just set up the React project, And in the next video, we're going to go ahead and get started hooking up our GraphQL, and we're going to do our first queries. All right, so see you guys there.